Amid the pandemic, while India is still battling with the deadly virus, our frontline warriors are also fighting to save our lives. And one of those heroes are our doctors. There is no better day than today, National Doctors' Day, to express our gratitude for our medical saviors. July 1st is celebrated as National Doctors' Day by the Indian Medical Association IMA, commemorating the iconic and internationally renowned medical practitioner Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who served as a physician, a freedom fighter and an educationist and also a politician. The doctors have been fighting a long war from the front lines against the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, saving lives at the cost of their own. To pay a tribute to the selfless work done by the doctors and to honor their dedication towards serving the humanity, the Government of India, along with the Indian Medical Association, a national voluntary organization of the doctors in the country, celebrated the National Doctors' Day on July 1st this year. With the pandemic still far from over, this day is important to honor many doctors who have sacrificed their lives in the last year and this year also. Along with the entire country, Tripura too celebrated Doctors' Day. 1st July, Thursday, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb attended the celebration of Doctors' Day program at the Rabindra Shatavarshiki Bhavan, Agartala. Addressing the day's program, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb highly praised the initiatives taken up by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the welfare of the people in the country. Surprisingly, while addressing Doctors' Day program, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb's speech, 90% content was filled up with praises of Prime Minister Modi. Apart from wishing the doctors and praising their tireless efforts during the crucial times of COVID pandemic, common people were hard criticizing the Chief Minister for his boastful speeches regarding farmer welfare schemes in Doctors' Day program.
ছোট ছোট বিষয়তে যেতে হয় বন্ধুরা, সব জিবি হসপিটালকে সুধার করে দেব তেমন না, আমার ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্ম যাতে সেফ থাকে সেই বিষয়তেও মানসিকতা থাকতে হবে। প্রাইমারি সেক্টর থেকে নিয়ে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল সেক্টর সব দিশাতে সরকার কাজ করছে। মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী যে ডাবল ইনকামের কথা বলেছেন কৃষকদের, আমরা সবাই ডাক্তার, এখানে কিছু কিছু লোক অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন আছে, যদি কৃষকটা স্বয়ংসম্পূর্ণ না হয় তাহলে কি আমি অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন চালাতে পারবো? ত্রিপুরাতে 80% লোক কৃষক, ভারত কৃষি প্রধান দেশ, আপনাদের স্যালারি কোথা থেকে দেব? কৃষকরা ইনকাম করলে তা থেকেই স্যালারি দিই।
People present in the hall who were seen a bit uncomfortable had a notion that the program should have been centered on the doctors in the state and with the contributions during these tough times. Apart from Chief Minister MP Pratima Bhumik, MLA Dr. Dilip Das, BJP State President Dr. Manik Shaha, along with several other dignitaries remained present in the day's program. Bureau Report, Halabur.